Hello, I'm going to demonstrate this template for creating support employees connected to employees. Um, in this document here, we can see that we're in the Employees tab, and we have a list of employees, and they're linked to a branch. And right now we have two supporting employees that are connected to the employees. Um, we have Dylan connected to Caitlin, and Anne connected to Sherilyn. And if you go to the support tab, we can see that Dylan is connected to Caitlin, and Anne is connected to Cheryl, as you see here. Anne is connected to Cheryl. If, for example, we wanted another supporter connected to Caitlin, let's say, for example, Antoine here, we make Antoine connected to Caitlin. And we go back to here, the employees. We can see that now Antoine is connected to Caitlin. If we want to add another employee connected to Caitlin, we can go back to supporting employees. Devin, add to Caitlin, and we can go to the employees, and now we can see that Devin is connected to Caitlin. Similarly, if we are at Cheryl, if we wanted to add an existing supporter to Sherilyn, we can now go to Cameron and add 102. And now Cameron is now connected to Sherilyn. Yeah, Cameron is now connected to Sherilyn. And if we want to move things around or change things, we can add. Let's see, make it more complicated here. Let's see, let's get Dylan now. Let's get Dylan to support Caitlin and 102 Sherilyn. Employees here. Now Dylan's also supporting Sherilyn when previously he wasn't. Let's say we want Dylan to support Anika 103. Get Dylan to connect 103. No. Anika. Now Dylan is supporting Anika. And yeah, this is the basics of this template. We can also remove people. Let's say that Dylan is no longer supporting Caitlin. Employees here. Now Dylan is no longer supporting Caitlin. Thank you very much. Bye.